I've seen a lot of articles actually about like people killing themselves when they're cleaning it.
Yep.
Or like just misfires. I've had how many guns and I've never had an accidental misfire in my house that hit somebody or hit the floor, hit the wall.
It's a negligent discharge.
Yeah. You know what?
There are accidental discharges.
I've seen at least 3 negligent discharges because of the idiot that I used to hang out with.
Yep. Oh, yeah. I have no doubt.
I flipped the fuck out every single time.
That
scared the fuck out of me.
Oh, yeah. See, and that's like, I can't complain about that because that just comes with the ground of working at a gun shop, you know?
Oh, well, I'd hope
it's like every gun that comes in the door may or may not be loaded. But, you know, it's once you've done it for a certain amount of time and nothing else but that, it becomes kind of like that like fun little Schrodinger's cat ADHD thought in your head. You're like, every time the doorbell rings, ding dong, boom, like